Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Just today, just another year, good in our eyes, you are the best. Gonna love you all the rest. Oh, oh. Many times I will smile on you, may happiness always come your way. We get to love you, we need to celebrate your day. Oh, yeah. We wish the best for all what the best can be. All the best we wish for you, that your wish come true. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday just for you. Happy new day to you. Happy beautiful, beautiful day to you. Hello, good morning, and welcome to Ebon Radio 103.5 at Bonadi. This is where we celebrate you. This is where we make your day beautiful. This is where we have fun and you gist us as we gist you. Hello, good morning, and welcome once again. Let's celebrate, let's have fun, and let's make merry. You need to have hope. Oh. No matter what you are passing through, honestly, without hope, everything is useless. So be hopeful. On your case, you know why I wanted a few minutes ago. Okay?
Yes, I am hopeful for today.
Yes.
Take this music, and take it away. You have to go.
Okay. Let the music take you away.
Yes.
But you got a kana 25 from around the corner.
Abi?
Yes. You got that from the gap watch the Yazuki, Sinati, and I drew the case.
How come?
So welcome and let's celebrate this morning. Hello, Meta. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing?
I'm cool. I know you know. Not really. Don't mind me.
No, how can you be saying such a thing?
No, did I say that?
When I'm here. No, wow. Anyhow, but let's go on.
Can you make listen to me? Because you know no matter joy, I say for make listen to.
No, there's some things you don't say around gentlemen. When you
Like,
say, at least you take my jacket now. Or
your
I give
jacket go.
the one I left there. I'll give you my
Okay,
jacket.
how can they differ? I can say no, if you go no, my Canada jacket can differ. Okay, make we have fun this morning. Plenty gist break it for ground. So put that radio to Ebonadi, tune it to Ebonadi 103.5 FM. Let's have fun this morning.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yesterday I something I omitted, but we are going to correct it this morning.
Okay.
We didn't call Mazi Ufondo's son yesterday.
Yes.
So we are going to call him on a Mazi Ufondo on agency because why not what the radio call let me find it. Okay, so that Niger are surprised they are very well this morning.
Go and get and I work with hand in hand in order to bottle the radio.
Okay. What about to go the radio?
Okay. Now what on Jackie about to go
I'm good at the guy no. Okay, so let's have fun this morning. We are going straight to our gist corner this morning. Now, can president reveals that Nigeria won't break up? God has chosen our leaders. What do you think?
Yeah, God is not in the business of destruction, or God is always in the business of building. If you walk with Him, He will place you in that path where you're supposed to be. So, and if you're truly representing Him, you're not supposed to be somebody who will always call for destruction.
Okay.
You will be somebody who will always look for prosperity, good things to come about, because that's what God is all about. Let there be light, and light came on.
Wow.
No, that's good things coming about. That's what God is. Good, and so for Him to say that, yes, I'm in support of what He's saying. God, Nigeria is not going to get destroyed if we work together, to actualize what we are supposed. If we align with God too, that's the thing. That's just the message there.
When we align with God, everything will now work fine. Okay, when you call us, you tell us Nifa no or is your. Do you believe that Nigeria will not break up? Because now God they pick those people. Nigeria. Do you believe that? All right. Burna Boy said that life feels like a video game. Do you think it's so? I once heard a friend say, no, I can move for them. I put mother no one, and God may play chess, using us to play chess. I don't understand understand. So when I saw this thing this morning, I remember the guy saying something like that. Do you think life is all about looks like a video game?
Yeah, like with the game of chess now, for example, like the
Mm.
major character there now is the bishop, the king,
And
the queen, you know,
the
and then
pawn.
you know that all the pawns now are in the hands of the king and the queen. You
Mm.
know, they take even the queen is a pawn in the
The
hands of the
pawn,
king.
okay.
You know, because at the end of the day, when you're coming for the king could use the queen to, you know,
To destroy,
that's the thing.
to shield himself.
But at the same time, the queen have an ability to capture so many people at the same time, to kill, you know, to destroy at the same. But the thing is, you know, it's just about deja vu. You know,
Okay.
that's why he will say something like that. A
Mm.
situation whereby the life with the universe, if you're in tune with God Himself, if you're in tune with your Maker, some of the things you project things into your life. You say this is what I want, you know, and you get what you are projecting because you are in line with God. So if you can really do that, it feels like a video game still, but it goes beyond the video game now.
Okay.
It goes beyond just that small 3D or 4D stuff. Technology there, it goes beyond that.
Okay,
Yeah.
when you feel or did you can life ID or game called video game. If I motor now, I know like that lady mulo umu ejima 9.
Mm,
How with Guinness World Recognition.
yeah.
I think yesterday.
Mm.
And that rap go for Nataba Befa for the first time
Mm.
since Samuel.
Lydia and Ada no.
You know.
Lydia all know we are for coming to their hospital, you know.
The good thing, but now Umaka 9 now, Fantani in December they held.
Okay.
I know Yama Botia. No, one on care and charge.
Yes.
Ibulu one yeah, Ikagamozo. But him and our first one, they have the first one he tonight.
That's the thing.
Ikagamozo.
Now, if I'm the husband to the woman, I'll be like, baby, God wants us to, you know, build autonomous community.
A nation.
If we just try 4 times now,
a new local
jackpot.
government. We celebrate them.
Yes.
We celebrate them. Obro Belly, congratulations to you, and being recognized by World Guinness Record is
Yes.
something beautiful.
It's a big deal.
Yes. Okay, now Reno Mockery. He said something interesting. Also, it's stupid to forget about your partner's past in the name of love.
Okay.
But for that, Sigi, don't go there. It's all in the past.
Yes.
Let's not just go there. Let's forge ahead. This is the present. Let's make the most of it. Do you believe so that you don't go into your past because need love will matter so much? You don't want to know.
The past is the past, but if we must forge ahead, we'll still have to work with the past.
Okay.
You know, even in order to avoid some things that happened in history repeating itself, you have to have
go back and visit the past.
Not just you have to have a very good understanding of the past, of the history.
Okay.
Of history is the past, right? So you have to have a very good understanding of history. So knowing about the history is just okay. We can talk about it, but I can't judge you about what happened in the past. But I'll have to know about some of the things that happened in the past in order to know how we'll forge ahead.
Okay.
But it's just that I don't have to judge the person based on what happened in the past. Yes, it's in the past.
Yeah.
But in addressing it, we'll try as much as possible to prevent the things that will happen in future, the things that happened in the past, repeating itself in the future. You know, in the sense that now, okay, while we are talking about it, we should be open to, okay, yes, the past, this is the mistake we made in the past, and then let's not repeat these mistakes in the future. So being open to talk about it is a good thing. But it's not like, okay, because we say, okay, the past is the past, we can't talk about it. It's a lie. We have to talk about it sometimes.
All right. Into this, talking about your past, telling your partner about your past, or do okay, it is comfortable with it. The open. More okay, it open in relationship. Okay, now a woman, we want to celebrate this wonderful woman. Omel escape. Na kandem tore. Hana anakwala ụwa ha o ha si ha na akure.
Okay.
Pụta n'ụzọ ha chee nọ ndị police agbalụ ha touch akwụsị mgbe ha ji notice efe na-eme driver and 2 other people lachapụ ọsọ gbanarị ha agba ha egbe amaghọ ma agbabutere ha mana ha agbapụgo ha nwabụzi ndị fọnụ ha dị ụmụ nwaanyị 3 wee sị ha ngwa banye nụ soro na group a wee buru fa baba ime ọfịa si na 2 hours walk ka ha jerutere bata na kamp ebe fanọ na-enyere ọfa nri n'abalị a nọọ mmiri ka fanọ gide pụta ụtụtụ ewenyefa garị na mmiri fanọ edurukwa ha ka ọchị foro wee gabakwa ebe ọzọ a na-aga na ha agagidezie n'ụzọ mgbe Chukwu chọrọ ịzọpụta mmadụ ndị a sị hapụ ha ebe ahụ sị ka ha jee nta yanwa na-ekwu maka onwe ọ maghị maka ndị nke ọzọ yanwa narị n'ihe ọ gara n'ije 4 hours wee pụta ebe ndị mmadụ nọ. Thank God for her.
Yes,
we
so,
celebrate
thank God.
courage.
Yeah.
Anyị amaghị ma ndị nke ọzọ ha nọ na-asị ịpụtara ụjọ ihe ha ga-agbagbukwe gị anyị nọdụ kpachala ha yanwa take ha decision kpachapụ ọsọ zọpụta ndụ ya. That's a good one. Now anyị nwere story na-ekwu ka policemen si wee tigide one man ihe tigbuo ya. This man si Enugu wee gaba I think Rivers ebe ife anụnwa melụ na Elele na Obiakpọ local government. Yes, Elele Obiakpọ local government na Rivers State. Ka ha bụ ọkada lute ebe fa na-akwụsị fa saachị ha ọ bụrụ so na asa agbara ha ọtọ tinyegasị aka ebe na-ekwesịrị saachị sizie ha mgbe a na-asaachị ha ka ụmụnne be ha nke ọzọ fon ya dapụ iwe webi ọsọ ha kọpụkwara ya ha kpokọtara ya fon etinyeli ya ọfụma nwanne ya nwoke to avoid trouble jekwejela aka ya wetie ka ha hapụzi ha na-aga lute ebe ọkada bụ fanọ ke ahụ fon ya dapụ na-asị onye ọkada otu a ka esi asaachụrụ ndị a wee descend on them wee tigidie ihe tigbuo nwanne ya nwoke ndị ya kwụ ojii ya mara because na ọ dị possible na ụfọdụ nwere ike ha ma bụ police people ilefe ndị police nọchie ụzọ now ha etigbugo this guy enwere ike masị amadụ na ndị mere ife anụ meje.
Yes, it still boils down to police investigating at the end of the day bringing the persons to book. That's just the thing.
All right. Ịkpọ anyị gwa anyị ma enwetụgo experience a n'aka ndị police or real ha dị fake or just police. A lady anwụgo 2 weeks to her wedding. Wedding a bụ na December ka o kwesịrị itake place. 27th of December ka this thing o kwesịrị itake. Okay, yes. 27th of December nwa ka o kwesịrị mgbe wedding ya mana o nwere accident nwụọ n'ụzọ nke aka. So sorry about that. Anyị maara a lot of stories ndị mmadụ ụdị ha anụnwa megoro and anyị adị ekpe ekpele ka ụdị fa repeat. Imagine this young man ebe ọ nọ na-ebe akwa kama ọ ya enwebe aṅụrị anya na nwunye ya na-akwado settle very soon mana ifugo ka o si wee gaa anya mmiri ka o bu n'aka enwere ike ikwute okwu marriage in the next 3 years ọ mana abịa ntị maka na shock nke anụnwa ka ga-abịa na
it's just a reminder that life is not a promise. Life is not a guarantee for us. It's a gift. We are just enjoying what is given, and when the owner takes it, we just be thankful of the fact that he has done his best.
Okay, young man Kasie, ọ dị mma. Now, anyị na-enwe akụkọ si Kano at Kaduna. Yes, these lovers bụrụ onwe fa jebe court. Nke nwaanyị kpọpụrụ nke nwoke court nye nye ụgwọ 180,000 naira oboro. Nke nwoke si na ife abụrụ n'oboro na ị naghị akwa na like ka iwe na-ewe ọ na-abụ imefu m anya n'iru ọ bụ na iru adịrọ m mma ịjụba m na ka ife anyị emelụ gị
just like that.
Now, also, according to the lady, only 230,000 or well for 40. I mean, or for 50.
Yeah.
Or well for them call for. Yes, was any again. Okay, quickly. Yada law, near a boy is a way delay, a way bully a court. Okay, how many hour 230,000 or 450 or 480. Or got one woggy or
Manakedo onye nwoke a bụ to this woman.
Lovers, ka ha si no ex-lovers.
Okay, ex-lovers. And sometimes some of these things na-esokwa love ala.
Yeah, I said that na love.
Yeah, they tell you. Just at the auto is when I na-afụ when apụta. Maka ọ bụ na abịa concrete the mean, you go like corporate mean na ada dị. Ego ne. By now amana ka ide aka, but at the time all by the sentiments, by the emotions, I ejikwa the emotions maka o si adị. Onye ụgwara egbukwa na-egbu, last. Okay, well, yes, my Lord, up by the love. Ọ bụ na agba m ọfụma akakpa m ewe.
Yeah, if you na-ekwu kịta anụwa bụ ka wee kọchie ya finally, no ife na-ege ka ịla ndị ya.
Otu isi kwuzie na mean na ọ dị ka ma akọchigo the thing.
So if ị na-eme ka akọchizie.
It was not my intention ịkọchie, but just the fact.
Okay, jee kwụọ ụgwọ. Let's get your
Now,
story.
okay, be equally be
Yeah,
because we get it. We understand why the guy is going through that. Moving away from that, Funke Akindele came out to break silence about the separation from the husband, JJC Skills, you know,
Okay.
and she revealed the reasons. She said the reason is that they've gotten to the spot where they can't really work any longer together to, you know, actualize their dreams, their vision of what the marriage should be in the first place. So, but my question this morning now is it possible that a relationship will get to a particular spot where you can't really work on it again to continue?
Ọ bụ na ha ka ya walk on it, ọ bụ ha na-abaka nọ na walk on it.
Okay.
Ọ maka na ha elugo that place ha ma walk on it. Ọ dị ka nwoke na-eti nwaanyị ihe na-ene ọnwụghị anya. Unu na-aba na ha aza walk together.
Okay, but at least like this one now, nobody was hitting on anybody now. It was just
nwere ihe dị ka
emotional abuses.
Ọ dị possible.
Okay, emotional abuses is also
ụdị ihe anụnwa mere n'etiti nwoke a na nke nwaanyị akpụkpọ court a na-eme ebe anwa. You know, stuff like that.
But this one, if it should be in this case now, this one is husband and wife. It is the same pocket now. So there is no need, okay, taking the person to court again in this matter. But the other one, I didn't say anything about that because those ones are just lovers. But when it comes to husband and the wife,
Tony said something. Tony Ibrahim said something. Also, nya like kaji. In fact, nya love gide love chadi love ukozo na. I've been a business ni for bakalego. Nya obu nya sabaki. Yes.
Wonderful.
Abi.
I like that.
So, oluwa no there.
I can maintain ukwa mo elu na nke nwoke ga-emekwa. Business wise.
Business, don't remember business, business.
I'll come to her and I'll be like, my love, sign the check of 200 million. No, something like that.
Oh, when do you deny? I am with familiar.
So anyhow, moving away from that particular story, Chacha Eke's husband came out to tell everybody that, you know, being in a relationship that is toxic, you know, can kill faster than cancer. So he's narrating the fact that when it comes, like if you come to Nigeria now, for example, a lot of people don't like the fact that you're loyal to a particular lover of yours. A lot of people want you to play around as well, you know. Some people, when they see you, like, okay, they will be telling you, how are you coping? So you just love this one person now. So who fake email, you know, a lot of things that will come up. They're not just only Ofe. Some people will come with Ofe. Some people will come with a lot of things. So those are the things. So, but the thing is, he's saying that at the end of the day, you know, for a better society, we are supposed to, you know, we are supposed to mold our society with that character of being loyal to a particular person. It defines you, you know. It also defines our society, you know, and it's important that we still have good men like this out there who believes in that. Yes, I like that. Yes, you said it sounded very yesy, you know. But moving away from that, you know, we talked about Funke Akindele, and then Bode George came out to, you know, to reveal the reason why some of them are not in support are not in support of Funke Akindele as the deputy governor. Candidate of Lagos State, you know, begin to point out some of the things that Jando did that brought about that, you know, the fact that, okay, Jando had a particular running mate as at the time when he was obtaining the form, you know, and he asked him a couple of times, this your running mate now, are you sure you want to work there? He said yes. At the same time, asked again, and at the end of the day, he now changed his mind as at the time when the most have submitted, and then he started saying things like that somebody is asking him to, you know, choose a female candidate, and that's Funke now, you know, and then he began to enforce it, and some of them are not in support of what is going on again, and that's the reason why you will now see somebody like Wike now supporting or endorsing Sanwo-Olu, you know, and then when it's still happening like that, you see even Bode George himself is somehow aligning with like those people from that aspect when it comes to the G5 governors. So the rift is still involved in this. Anyhow, the particular running mate that he's supposed to work with is now with Labour Party. Anyhow, moving away from that, when you call us, you tell us what you think of that. Do you think, you know, that this politics is played better? Now, Speed Darlington this morning Then, you know, whenever he steps or earthquake, and when he's saying it, you think he's playing. Listen to this, you see the earthquake now. He said men prefer to marry Yoruba girls because they are more sensible.
Really?
That's what he said.
Yeah, the reasons.
He began to break it down. That anytime any pastor says, if you are single here in this congregation, come out. That 80% of the girls you will see there are Igbo girls.
Really?
That's what he's saying. That I didn't say it, he's the one that said it. And we're just breaking it down. You know, this is fact checking. I didn't say anything. No. He's Speed Darlington. That's the person saying it. So he went on to explain that, you know, a lot of Igbo girls, a lot, not all Igbo girls, so that's what he's saying, go to native doctors to get sham for them to get control of a man of their choice. I'm coming. He's now said, but their Yoruba counterparts know a way they can be humble enough to figure out a man they will be with. You know, he couldn't be like, they won't be looking at maybe his figures or his position in the society. And I'm not saying that, okay, some of them don't do it, but that's what he's trying to say, that their humble nature is the reason why they are always getting married. Like most men prefer to get married to Yoruba. You know, that's, I don't know. But anyhow, when you call us, you know, I'm coming now. When you call us, you tell us what you think about that. But let me not continue.
It is not true. How about I never I will go to know the video where Mark.
Okay. Okay.
I'm a mother and the
Okay.
High rate of divorce than a Igbo, than a Yoruba. Every month for Kebiabona house.
Okay. Okay.
Makanina Nekitano were born a cattle by Yoruba and the Igbo airborne. So Kaiba Potaba has Speed Darlington Joseph Chalk and the mother nearly na likes, comments, and share.
Somebody said to him, bros, I get this Igbo girl where I go, you know, connect you with, no worry.
Or the Daddy Freeze. When they could before no wine, Daddy Freeze say no trouble no wine. Near go round, near Jago House, Yoruba, Ibibo, just even Nebe Obia Waliana wine, the Bonani.
Yotago.
Makani trouble wine, Aga has really gone or push you to be better. No wine. And Nahana radically independent. Financially.
And then somebody said to him,
on personal
notes, right? Yeah. Somebody now said to him, make sure you marry a Yoruba girl. Moving away from that, when you call us, you tell us what you think about that. You know, Oboni Shaw credit alert this morning. When you go back again, let me come on, go to mother on it. When you
got 1, 2, 3, cello. Prof, no see of my can organize.
You when you be Kego.
Cello can go prof, not of my
when you go to Kege first.
If I know cello,
okay, this comment is coming from Inyanya, you know, and he's saying that these days he wakes up to credit alerts daily, you know, and he's saying that the last time he got this kind of inflow of money at a time and then performances that lined up for him for Christmas and the rest of them is since 2017. And then, yes, but now this year is, you know, he's just giving thanks to all his fans, people who have been listening to his music, and he's just giving a promise that by next year, 2023, he's coming with a lot of banger. I'm telling you, banger, cannot out, but banger. Okay. So the thing is, personally, I'm tapping from what he's saying. You know, this Christmas, let it be lined up, money, credit, bagam, every, you know, every time. Just let it start now. So when you're okay. Once it's coming in, I need go battery no, I need go battery and top. Once the credit is on it, better. Anyway, moving away from that, you know, all these people who do go about getting a new Bakaso. One of them was, you know, on a wrong way. But serious, on the wrong way, you know, walking, showcasing the Bakaso. You know, everybody was clapping. All of a sudden, the Bakaso disappeared. He did, he did something like, bah! Nobody saw it again. Nobody saw the Bakaso again. Everybody was like, wow. What? Yeah, I know about now. Where is it? And it's as a result of all these surgeries, you know, people who go about using surgery to fix their Bakaso. Anyhow, when you call us, you tell us exactly what you think of that. Is it good to, you know, to be fixing Bakaso that will disappear at any moment? Anyhow, you know, a teacher shared a message, you know, some of our pupils gave her, and she said, even if she didn't get paid again as a teacher, that this message is enough for her.
Wow.
I'm telling you,
Wow.
this is what the kid sent. He said, "Auntie, you're one of the best teachers. You teach very well. Don't worry, next Christmas I will bring you my chin chin." Yes, he said for your love and kindness from from the kid. So the teacher said this is wonderful for her. That even if she didn't get paid again, this is enough. This is how she said it. This was what I got from my pupil today. I felt so emotionally touched.
Wow.
I never knew they were feeling my impact all this while. This way, the way some of they even spell her name, got her laughing. But at the same time, this is like a wonderful thing for her. She's happy she got this.
That's the
one of the benefits.
Satisfaction you get from
Okay.
doing something good.
Okay.
And then when my sister did to every like what's like that, aqua parents
Okay.
that give to my class and
Wow.
each term.
Wow.
My other sister is just like that.
Yeah.
Every term. So sometimes he will DJ na koka, but it's okay. He will offer, we don't do stuff like that. He will offer.
Get all my good news up, yeah.
Nonsense.
Nothing now, man. Okay. Then a man was dumping a girlfriend, Why the guy was dumping the girlfriend, he didn't know that the girlfriend already paid for his rent. But he wanted to dump this girl and marry another girl.
No, I thought he knew.
He
He gave the girl something on your Lego, and because Lego go near Meko expire,
Yeah.
the girl added money to it, paid for it. Receipt.
That's the thing. He never knew the girl was going to give him that gesture. That's why he started crying, because at the time he's already planning to marry another girl.
That's
so
wickedness.
When it now happened, the guy always wanted to give that it's not me speech, before this thing happened. Don't worry, it's not me, it's not you, it's me. I'm the wrong person, in this relationship, you're just a wonderful person. I'm the one that is causing the problem. Stuff like that. So when the gesture that came, the guy started crying instead. Maybe he will change his mind. I don't know.
Changing now because this time around,
you need us to change the mind in any way. No. Moving away from that, when you call us, you tell us what you think about that. Portable just got verified on Instagram.
Congratulations.
Yes, so. And we can remember the days when he was telling every other person that was verified. See, all of you are fake verification. All of you. But now let's see if it's so
fake.
Yeah, and then everybody's like, all his fans is waiting up for 2023. That 2023 is going to be the bomb when it comes to Portable. Wizkid didn't sell out Accra Stadium. Yeah, and everybody got everybody talking. At the same time, Shatta Wale came out to say that it's not like Wizkid can't sell it out, but it's just that it's the will of God at that moment for this to happen. And then or some of the challenges surrounding it, and the fact that he didn't come because he thought it was like there is a security challenge for him to show up, So there is a lot of challenges surrounding it. And for Shatta Wale to come out and say it like this, I think this is the way it is. Because if not, we'll be hearing all the Nigerian artists, Wizkid, and the rest of them. But when you call us, you tell us what you think of that. Then, based on what Wizkid said about rap being there, Speed Ladington, again, another earthquake is coming. He told Wizkid that you shouldn't see him anywhere around New York, USA, Imo State, Lagos State. Because of what Wizkid said. And he did this with a diss track. He released the track, to prove to him that, man, rap is alive and is running. And that's the much we have for you this morning.
All right, go ahead and be part of the fun this morning. 0809666135. Nyabu the magic